Hello everyone and welcome to computer session once again. And today we will continue lesson number 6. And lesson number 6 is MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, formatting, formulas and function. So this is our third session for this lesson. Already we have learned few points in first session and second session. So altogether the points which we are going to cover through these lessons are Excel introduction, formatting cell using formatting cell dialog box, then formula in MS Excel using compound formula, then edit a formula, then delete a formula. Also, we are going to cover the points function in Excel, built-in function using simple function. So these all point we are going to cover up through this lesson. And in first session and second session, few points we have learned. So let's have a small recap of that. Recap of first and second session. The points we covered in the first sessions are introduction, then formatting cell, and formatting cell using formatting cell dialog box. In that sub points we have covered how we can format the cell using dialog box by number tab, align tab, font tab, border tab, field tab and protection tab. This we covered in first session. The points which we covered in second sessions are formula in MS Excel. What is formula that we learned in the last previous session. Then also we covered using compound formula, how we can use those formula, how to edit a formula, if you want to do any changes, how to do changes in the formulas, and finally how to delete a formula. Suppose we don't want any formula, so how to delete it. So these are the point already we covered in first and second session. So altogether the points which we have covered in first and second sessions are Excel introduction, formatting cell using dialog box. This we covered in first session. Second session we have covered formula in MS Excel using compound formula, edit a formula and delete a formula. So the rest of the point remain function in Excel, built-in functions and using simple function. So in today's sessions, we are going to cover all these 3 points: function in Excel, built-in function and using simple functions. So let's begin with the function in Excel. What is function and what are the built-in functions available in Microsoft Excel? So first point is function in Excel. Functions are predefined formulas that perform calculation by using specified value called arguments in particular order of structure. So last period already we have learned what is formula. So functions are what? These are the predefined formula, means which is already set up, so that is called, means pre-setup, pre-decided or pre structure formulas are called functions. Okay, and these are used to perform any type of calculation. Practically we will learn in further session. So just right now you try to understand what is function. Functions are predefined formulas. Okay, and it is used for performing any type of calculation. When you need to do calculation in large number of cell, to enter formulas repeatedly becomes difficult and time consuming. Function can be used to perform simple or complex calculation. You know what happens? The computer is mainly used for to speed up our work. So last time what we have learned the formulas, if you will use the formulas and if you want to do large number of calculation and large number of entries, that time it becomes difficult and tedious. Also it takes long time or more time, it consumes more time. If you will use functions, it will reduce your workload as well as you can finish out the work within less time. That's why the functions are very popular and everywhere used in Excel. Now the next point is built-in functions. In introduction already we have learned. So let's have a small introduction of built-in functions. The list of built-in function is sum, average, max, mean, round, square, power, lower, upper, and today. So altogether 10 functions we are going to cover through these lessons. Actually in Microsoft Excel, lots of formulas are there, many formulas are there. But for your studies, there are 10 formulas. So these we will learn one by one. First, we will understand the uses of these functions, and later on we will do perform a practical calculation by using the functions. So let's understand it one by one. Sum. The sum formula is used to do sum. This is the most popular function. The sum is the most popular function. The sum function text all the values in each of the specified cell and total their value. In short, sum. In short, the sum is used to do total. In short, the sum is used to do total of given numbers. Okay. Practically we will learn, then you will understand easily the sum formula. If you want to do the total of given numbers, like one student is there and it's mark, English mark, geography mark, science mark, all this total we want to do. So for that total we can use sum. Next is average. This function is used to find the average of the specific data. If you want to calculate the specific, also you can calculate the percentage using average formula. Practically, I'll show you the demonstration. Product. This function is used to find the product of the past value. Whatever values we will enter, according to that, it will find the product by using multiplication formula. Next is max. This is easy formula or easy, we can say function. This function is used to find the largest value from the range of value. This will help you to find out largest value. For example, if we have given different subject mark, English, science, maths, okay, this subject mark is given. So we want to know which subject student has scored the maximum mark. So that maximum mark will be find with the help of max. Next is mean. This function is used to find the lowest value from the range of value. It is the opposite of max. Max is helpful to find out maximum value. Mean is used to find out lowest value, small value in the given numbers. Then next, again 5 functions are there: round, square, power, lower, upper, today. Okay, these functions we will cover. So let's understand it one by one. Round. This function is used to round the decimal value from the specified digit. Sometimes the numbers are given in the points, so decimal value it will round. How? That we will learn practically. Square. This is square is used to find out the square root. This function is used to find out the square root of the past number. Whatever number we will give, that we can find out the square root of that particular. Next is power. This function is used to find the power value of past values such as the base and exponent. If you want to find out the base or exponent of any particular number, that we can find out with the help of power. Lower. This function is used to convert text into lowercase. That means small letter. If you will type in say any upper letter, small letter, capital letter mix, so it will convert all the letter into small letters like small text. That is called lowercase. Upper, it is opposite of lower. This function is used to convert text into uppercase. Sometimes whatever we typed and we want to see in the capital letters, all the text. So that time we can use the formula and easily we can convert into uppercase. Next function is today. This function is used to display the current date in the selected cell. Suppose in any cell, if you want the current date, so just type the today function and you will get the today's date, current date. So these are the theoretical introduction of all the functions, around 11 functions we are going to learn. Okay, so let's understand one by one by practical. So now we are, students, please pay attention because we are moving to the practical session, how we can utilize these functions. So dear students, to perform a practical, I am going to prepare one chart, and according to that chart, we are going to do calculations. So here I am going to enter the roll number of the students, then name of the student and their subject mark, English, math, science, then history and geography. So these five subject, you can take more subject also, no problem. I hope so my screen is visible to you clearly and the text whatever I'm typing, it is visible too. Okay. So main thing is when I'm typing the formula that should be visible to you all. So here I have entered roll number, name, class, division. So let's enter the roll numbers first. We will enter roll number. Okay. I'll increase the little size. Okay. So roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Then here I'll enter Sonu, Monu, Tonu, Donu, and one more Bhonu. Okay, these five students' name I have entered here, their marks. Okay, anything I'm entering here out of 100. So he has scored like English mark of Sonu is 88, 90, 50, 60, 70. So these I have entered. Then maths 70, 60, 50, 90, 80. Okay. Science 90, 95, 94, 96, 98. That history marks 80, 85, 84, 86, 90. Geography marks. So these are entering. So we have completed here our structure. Okay. Here we completed a structure of chart. So with the help of now we will perform one functions. First function we have learned in Excel, that is sum. In theoretical part we have learned sum. Okay. So what is the use of that sum? Sum is used to do total. So let's do the total. So how to enter the formula? Whenever you want to enter the formula or function, we should begin with equal to sign. Okay. So this is a basic structure of the function when we want to enter. So start with equal to, then write the name of function. So what is the function? Sum. SUM. This is the name of function. Then we have to take the parenthesis, means open a bracket, round bracket. Please don't take any other. There are three different brackets on the keyboard: round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. Please use this round bracket, which is also known as parenthesis. Later on, we have to click on the first cell and drag the mouse till the last subject. English subject marks we started from here and we have taken till the geography. So here automatically cell numbers are entered. C2 colon G2. What is C2? This is a C2 cell. If you will say C colon 2 number. So this is called C2 and this cell is G2. Finish and then we will close the bracket and let's press the enter to see the result. So total of Sonu is 408. The total of Sonu is 408. I hope so you understood. Total of Sonu is 408. Let's do once again to understand this formula is equal to sum, then bracket, then select, close the bracket and press the enter. Okay, another way is you can write also the cell names sum into bracket. What is the name of this cell? C4. This is C4 colon, this is G4. So we will write G4, close the bracket, press enter. We got the total. I hope so you understood. So this is a sum formula. Let's understand the next formula practically, that is average. So we will find the percentage of this average of given numbers. So we can find out percentage. So I'm going to type percentage over here. How we can find out? Type is equal to, what is next? For, yes, right, function name. What is the function name? Average. Okay. Start the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket and press the enter. See, we begin always with the equal to sign, the name of formula, then into bracket, we have selected the range of cell and press enter, we will get the percentage. So the percentage of this student, Sonu, is 80.81.6. How to enter is equal to function name average, open the bracket, select the range of cell and close the bracket, press enter. So we got 80%. Now I want to see percentage for all. Just simply I'm dragging and checking. Now I have copied these formulas for everyone. So now all formula percentage we got. Now I want to see in Sonu got in which subject what is the maximum mark Sonu got. What is the maximum mark Sonu got? So let's check with the max formula. This we can do with the help of maximum number I want to find out. So for that I will type is equal to sign and then I have to, what do I have to do? I have to write the formula name, sorry, function name. So function is max, open the bracket, select the range of cell, close the bracket, press the enter. So if you will observe, if you observe properly, then you will find that all the functions are entered same way. Only the name of formula which, sorry, function we change, but other process is same. We begin with the equal to sign, we type the formula name and we open the bracket, then we selected the range of cell and then we close the bracket and we press the enter. So only one difference between these all three formulas, what we have done, their functions are different, but these functions are utilized same way. The syntax or the structure of writing the function is same. Okay. Now next is mean. So mean we can find out with the help of same, equal to, write the name of formula, sorry, function, open the bracket, select, close and our function is ready. Okay. So there is a formula used in the functions which is already predefined. If you will use this function, so that formula can be calculated. So that is predefined. Now no need of entering again and again. Here we have copied and pasted it. So now till now we have learned different four functions One is sum, second is percentage, third is max, and then mean. So let's understand the rest of the function by another example. So for this, I have taken the new sheet and let's have some increase the size so you can see the text clearly. Okay, so now we are going to use some different functions. Okay, so the next one is product. Okay, this function is used to find the product of base value. So now how we can find out? As we know, I want to just enter is equal to then product. Okay, and with that we can enter the values into a bracket 10 comma 25 comma 65. Okay, this we will enter. Okay, true. So I have entered the product. Okay, so what product will do? It will multiply 10 by 25 and then whatever answer we'll get, that will multiply by 2. So let's press enter and check it. The answer is 500. Okay, what we have entered, 10 multiplied by 25, so it will be 250, and again it will multiply by 2, means 250 into 250, sorry, 2 is equal to 500. So we got a product of that multiplication. Next formula is round. That also we will enter like is equal to. Okay, first we have to begin with equal to, and then we have to do all this. So let me increase some more size so it would be more clear for you to see. Okay, so enter equal to, and then what is the next formula? Write the formula name round. It round the values. Okay, and here I have entered 1525. Okay, 1000, sorry, 1525.24876. Okay. Okay, this number I have entered. Now if you'll see the after decimal point, this point is called decimal point. The number of digits are more. So that I want to convert into two decimal numbers. These digits we don't want. After the number decimal is only which is more important, that is 2. 2 digits. So I will press the enter. So now see 1525.25. So that rounded the value into 25. If we will see the functions and formula what we have entered, 2487. So that is rounded to 24, rounded to 25. Okay. Now next formula is power. Next is power. So I'll write here next to that so you will understand which functions and formula we are using. So this one was the product. This one we used as a round. Now next we are going to use a power. Now for power, same, we will start with equal to sign. We will write the formula name power, sorry, function name power, and then we will enter. We will find out this function is used to find out the exponent. So let's write the 15's exponent 4 exponent. 15 power 4 exponent 4. So what it will show, the answer is 50,625, means 15 multiplied by 15 4 times. 15 multiplied by 15, 15 multiplied by 15, 15 multiplied by 15. Now next, lower. So lower case, for example, for that we will write here. You can see here lower I have write in capital letter. Lower I have write in capital letter. Okay, so this I want to convert. What is the use of this function? To convert into small letters. Now I have written in the capital letter, so it will convert into small letters. So equal to lower. Okay, lower into bracket. Okay, we will write to bracket this one and close the bracket. This cell we wrote no lower, so we will write, select that cell and we will enter. So here we written into capital letter, now it become into small letter. I hope so you understood. Now upper, we will use the function upper. Now upper I'm writing in small letter. So let's get into convert. So upper is used to convert into capital letter, is equal to upper, write the formula name, bracket, open the bracket, select the cell and press enter. Now it given to capital letter. So upper is used to convert into capital letter, lower is used to convert into small letters. Now next is, and the last one is function is today. Today. Today is used to display the today's date. So simply what we have to write, equal to today and bracket. So this is a today's date, 10 12 2020. Okay, so my computer date is wrong, that's why it is so showing 10 12 2020. So I'll change my date of my lab page, so automatically it will get changed into your system. Okay, when you will use on your system, so it will show current dates. So wait a minute, I'll change it and we will do it. No, it's right actually. Today's date is right, 10 12 2020. Okay, so altogether, dear students, we have covered today the points. What the points we have covered in today's lesson? We have learned what is function in Excel, then built-in function list we have understood by theoretically, and how to use these functions that we have learned practically now in the demonstration. The functions which we have covered through today's sessions are sum, average, mean, max, product, round, square, power, lower, upper, and today. So these all functions we have learned their uses as well as how to use it practically in our practicals. I hope so. Today's session you understood very well. So watch this session again and again and try to understand. And as usual, I am suggesting always to you, do it practically and learn it practically. So do the practice at home on your system. Okay.